Hello, everybody, and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2023. I hope you're ready for a good year. I certainly am. I'm glad last year is behind us because I had Tesla at the end of the year. And even if you're making supposedly safe and reliable income every week, it still doesn't matter because sometimes the stock goes down more than that income. But the income does help offset. So I'm glad that Tesla and the down is behind us. I have a feeling that we're going to be in for a pretty good year, regardless of what everybody is saying about how lousy this is going to be and we're recession and all this kind of stuff. But I hope you're ready. You got some goals. I hope you have some really important stuff that you're going to accomplish this year, or at least maybe you're just making a goal to be happy. Whatever it is for you, I wish you the best of luck in 2023. Let me share my screen and we'll get rocking and rolling. All right. So I just got off my mastermind call with our cash flow machine people, and I'm not going to be able to get into all of the stuff that those people pay for, but I will be able to give you some updates. Market is going green right now. It's got 4 green lights, and on Monday we should have a green condition. Right now it's yellow, so that means use caution. Rev your engine, and then on Monday, if it goes green, that should be the time that you have your watch list ready and you're ready to jump in. And let's just go over the indexes. They're not looking good. This is the index basically of most of last year, and you can see that's not a chart that we like to see. It's just higher left, lower right, and it's really kind of close to the bottoms. It's trying to ping off of its bottoms from October, and we're seeing some good signs. But on the Nasdaq, we've had a big sell-off in tech stocks, so it's been a lot of pain. S&P 500 looks a little bit better, but still below that 50-day moving average. The Dow Jones is looking pretty good. It's above the 50. It's above the 200. We had a golden cross a couple of weeks ago that I talked about last week. And if you were listening to me, you could have been jumping into some of those Dow stocks. And then the New York Stock Exchange, to me, like we're right at a really great level, a perfect golden cross here. The market looks to me like it's ready to go. We just need some headwinds to go away and some tailwinds to start to appear to make these markets move up. Let's talk about Tesla. Tesla kind of hit a bottom this morning of 101 and it bounced to 111. Basically, they came out and said, we're going to lower prices in China because of demand. In theory, everybody's thinking it's because of demand. And so the stock was down like $8 or $9 pre-market, down to 101. And then people went and lined up at these Tesla stores in China and started to buy cars, or at least that was the report. And so the stock jumped up 10%, or from 10% from the bottom. And then the report shifted from they're lining up to buy cars to they're lining up to protest the price reduction. None of this makes sense when it comes to Tesla. Anyway, the stock is up 10% from its bottom. And that's a pretty strong move, and it's doing it on some good volume. So we want to see those big up moves, especially if they're off the bottoms, on good volume. And I think we're going to be getting some of that today on Tesla. Apple is not looking very good, but it's looking steady enough to be able to create calls against it. And that's what we do. We have calls and we create income against Apple. I'm not going to go into all of our other stock. I just want to show you that since we are jumping into a green market, I'm going to give you what my screeners are telling me are some stocks that you could look at. Now, remember, this is not advice. This is entertainment or education or information, whatever you want to call it. It's not advice, right? Don't be saying, oh, you said I should buy that. I'm not saying that. I'm saying you got to do your own research. But here are the stocks that I'm looking at that are really good for our system, which is called the cash flow machine. Starts with number 1, Crocs. Can you believe that? I haven't heard of Crocs I've heard of them, but as a stock, like this was a stock that I made a ton of money on, like in the first decade of the 2000s. And the stock just took off. I think it went from like 3 or 4 to 70, and I made a bunch of money on the way up. It's been a long time since it's been a leader, but they're doing some cool stuff with their shoes, and they're back in vogue. So Enphase, which is not having a good couple of weeks, by the way, and then Herc Holdings, KLA, Lululemon, they're in that high-priced yoga pants market, and now they have guys yoga pants and stuff like that. I don't know about guys yoga pants, but whatever. I guess somebody's doing something right over at Lulu. That's rounding out the top 5. Anyway, there's about 30 something stocks on here you can take a look at that are pretty good relative strength, with pretty good earnings growth, pretty good sales growth, and pretty good return on equity. So listen, I'm not going to kill you with too much stuff. It's a good year. I hope it's going to be a good year. I hope you have plans to make it a good year. Certainly love to see you here every week. Checking in with me and just kind of getting a feel for what's going on with the market. I try to change things up a little bit, throw in some new things and go over some old things for you. But I sure do wish you a healthy, happy, prosperous 2023 for you and your family. And I'll see you next week on the weekly update here on the Cash Flow Machine Wealth Investors Club. Take care. Bye.